Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session, I want to explain how to create a quiz using Google Forms, which is very useful nowadays. You can create a quiz as well as you can generate automatic digital certificate to that quiz. Okay, so first you need to have a Google account and go to Google Drive. Click on new, move down and click on more and click on Google Forms. So in my previous video I already explained about how to create a Google form with different options. Okay, but in this video I want to explain how to create a quiz. Okay, so to make a quiz, for example, I want to create a quiz on core Java. So that this is the title of my Google form, and I want to make this as a quiz. So that you need to do is go to settings and go to quizzes tab and on make this a quiz. And you have seen some options here. The first one is immediately after each submission. So you want to release a grade of each option, then you can select this. Suppose if you want to sometimes if you want to release a grade after a manual review, that means sometimes you are giving some long answer questions, some short answer questions, like descriptive type of exam also you will conduct to your students. At that time you can select later after manual review. Suppose if you want to release a grade after each submission, you can select this. And also the respondent can see what are the missed questions in that quiz, what are the correct answers, and what is the point value of each question. Then you can select all these. Suppose if the respondent does not view the correct answers, then you can uncheck it. And the respondent doesn't view the point value of each question, you can uncheck mark. Okay, so when you check all these, the respondent can see what are the questions he or she does not attempt, and also he can view the correct answers of each question, and also the respondent can view the point value. So simply save, and now I am giving questions one by one. For example, what is the syntax to print an output hello world in Java? For example, console dot write line hello world, and the next one is system dot out dot println hello world, and the third option is echo hello world, and the final one is none of the above. Okay, so once if you completed all these options, then you can select this answer key, and out of all these options, which one is the correct answer? This one is correct answer, so you have to select this one. And how many grade points you have to allocate for this question. For example, I am giving the grade points 1, so simply done. So if you want to make this field as a compulsory field, you can select this. Otherwise, you can select this. Next, you can duplicate this. And what is the syntax to create an integer variable with value 5? So for example, integer a is equal to 10 into a is equal to 10 and a is equal to 10. The last one is none of the above. And again make an answer key. So this one is int a is equal to 10, and again you can give the point value for this question, make it as done. And suppose from this onwards you can create another section. Click this one and make this as section 2, and by clicking this you can add questions under section 2. For example, what is the syntax to create a string variable? So one is string s, the second one is string s, both none of the above. So answer key, so this is the right answer. Select this and give the grade points and done. Again, if you want to create one more question under this section, hit this plus button. And what is the syntax for comments in Java? For example, comments in Java, comments in Java, comments in Java, none of the above. So again click the answer key and check the correct answer and give the grade points and click on done. Okay, once after finishing all this, you can view the quiz. So it will look like this. Okay, so and also you want to take the information of a candidate, so you can also insert name of the candidate, and name of the college. You can also collect this basic information also. And after this you want to create another section, so this is comes under section 1. Okay, so take a preview. This is quiz on Java, collecting email address of the participant, name of the candidate as well as name of the quiz, and click on next. It will move to next section 1 and then it will move to section 2. So this is the way of creating quiz by using Google Forms. Now how to generate certificates automatically. Let us see. So if you want to generate certificate automatically, you want to install a plugin, call it as Certify-em. For that you can click this button and click on add-ons, and in that you can install an add-on which is called as Certify-em. So this is the G Suite app which is used to generate certificates after submission of forms. Simply you can install it, click on continue. So it will ask a Gmail account and allow it. automatically Certify EM plugin will added here. Okay, now click this add-on and click on Certify EM. So my internet is slow, just wait. So your internet is speed is high, then it will show all these controls. So show Certify EM controls, it will display the controls of Certify EM. Simply confirm. Here you can see various options. Certification is off, simply turn on. The next one is passing percentage. So I want to give the pass percentage as 50%, and these are the predefined templates here. So for example, predefined templates available here. You can see which type of certificate do you want. That particular certificate you can select from the option. For example, I want to select this one. This is brown frame. Then simply you can select from this a brown frame. So per day you will only send 100 emails. Okay, so these are the settings. Let us check how to generate a certificate. This is the preview. So my email address is johitakrin@gmail.com. So Teneti Johit Pranav, name of the college IIT Kharagpur. Next. So what is the syntax to print an output? Make it as answer is equal and go to next session. So this one, finally submit. Once if you submit, you can see the message. If you passed, you will receive a printable certificate shortly and view score. So I got 4 out of 4 points, and you can see the answers. Okay, so once go to my, so this is the certificate. Congrats Teneti Johit Pranav, you passed, your certificate is attached. So we are selecting the brown. So Teneti Johit Pranav of college IIT Kharagpur has completed quiz on so and so with passing score of 100 certificate. So simple to create a certificate. For example, if you want to create a certificate of user defined template, then you can select custom template. In order to select a custom template, you need to create a JPG image of your user defined template, user defined certificate. Okay, so go to Google Drive and create new and select Google slide. In this slide, remove all these and insert your certificate. So select an image, upload from your computer. I have already my certificate in my system. .jpg open. Oh, sorry. Wait. I have to download my certificate from my Google account. Just wait, I am downloading my certificate. Just wait. So in this you can insert an image, upload from your computer, IQAC. So this is open. Okay, here so drag this up to here. And take a text box and drag it where you have to print your name. So up to here I want to print my name. So in this you can write parenthesis full name. This is the tag name of your full name. So and make it as center alignment. Okay, next again here you want to print the name of the college. So again take a text box, take a text box and drag here. Sorry. So move this text box markers in this place. Here to here I want to print my college name. That tag we can call it as other identifier. Okay, so again make this also center alignment. Once if it is done, so go to this, use a custom template, select new file, and this is our untitled presentation. So then click on save changes. So automatically here our certificate is ready. So always you remember this. This is the name of the candidate is full text, full name tag. This is other identifier, and other fields are other identifier 1, other identifier 2, so on. So again do the quiz. Now I am giving website kvn@gmail.com, name of the candidate website, and the college name is KBN. Click on next. So suppose now I am giving the wrong option. And submit. So if you want to view the score, it will display only 1 out of 4. So console.writeLine is wrong. So this is also wrong option, this is also wrong option, only one is correct answer. You can see the correct answer here. Okay, again one more time. We can submit the quiz because in the previous quiz we didn't get the 50% score. kvn@gmail.com. Name of the candidate website and name of the college KBN, and click on next. On next, string, and this one is submit. So I got 3 out of 4. Okay, so which one is wrong answer? This one is wrong answer, and the correct answer is this one. Okay, so after few minutes you got a certificate here. So this is our name and this is name of the college. You can create like this, and we have some advanced options here. So let us see those options also. Here once you can check the certificate we received from Certify EM. Instead of that, if you want to give one particular person's name, that you can give here. So thank you for submission. This is the message shown upon after submission of your exam. Okay, so if you want to give the sender name, you can give it. So subject of email is webinar certificate of webinar on ICT tools, and content of body is congratulations, you won quiz and got the certificate of appreciation, something you can write it. And also you can send an email if the candidate is failed an exam. So email subject and attempt is better luck next time. You are not qualifying the exam, and write for one more time. And you can also send the certificate either PDF or in image format, share via email or Google Drive. So I am taking as email. So these are the advanced options and save changes. So again one more time we will write the quiz. So preview. Now email address is website KBN. We can do website kvn@gmail.com. Bharati Devi, and name of the college some KBN college. Click on next. And click on next. Submit. So view score. So we got 4 out of 4, and refresh our mail, then automatically we receive mail soon. Yes, so the respondent, the sender of our certificate is so and so Bharati Patnala. Congratulations, you won the quiz and got the certificate of appreciation, and this is the certificate, name of the participant as well as college. So this is the way of generating digital certificates. I hope all you understood about how to create Google Forms as well as how to generate e-certificates. Thank you.